OasisSpace is a shower chair. I'm going to show you how simple it is to build. We have it here laid out on the table, all the parts. You have a 12-inch suction grab bar. Very easy to follow steps. And we're going to go step by step in building the chair for you and show you what it's all about. We have all the parts laid out on the table. Make yourself some room to put the seat in the front of a table. We have two C angles, and one spot is flat and the other's flat. And you're going to match up. You're going to turn this upside down, and you're going to place it into the seat, like so. With the thumb bolt and a round washer, you're going to go to the center and place on, and screw down into the gold hole. Once it's nice and tight, you're going to proceed to the next four by finding the 4 large bolts and 4 washers. You're going to look for the 2 right angles with the large holes on the bottom and the 2 short holes for the back. You're going to turn correctly onto the seat like so. Do one at a time. Grab a thumb bolt, a washer, slide through, and start to get one down. Take the next one and do the same thing. Lock it down. Finish off the other 2. Carefully go over each one and secure down. We have 2 crossbars. They're going to get lined up. We're going to take off each of the blue thumb bolts one at a time. With the 2 bars, this is a thread. You're going to place one bar like so and the other on top. What we're going to do is make sure that we have this bar and this bar with a round washer and the gray bolt locked down. You're going to take the crossbar that you just made with the black round washer on all 4 the best you can. You're going to lay over, rest on all 4 areas like so, very carefully. Take the blue thumb bolt with the washer on the outside through the hole. Work your way down to each of the holes. Lock one down slowly. Feel for the grab. And work on the next one. When all 4 are in and in place and correctly tightened, lock all 4 down. We're now going to take our seat, rotate it around, and we're going to work on the back plate. Lift up the back seat. The handle goes upward. You're going to match the 2 small holes with 4 blue thumb bolts and washers. Place the thumb bolt, washer, and seat back and start to screw one down. Put the opposite side on. And finish up with the other 2. Lock all 4 down. Make sure the washers sit flush against the pipe. Take the seat, turn around once again. There are 4 gold push buttons and measurements in height 1 through 6. Find the height you desire. Place upside down. Snap into place. Once again, turn the seat fully upright. You have a blue pad. You're going to punch out the holes by pushing your fingers through the hole and removing. But please match up the holes first before peeling the back. Peel the seat pad off, place over, match up the holes, and gently align and apply pressure. When all completed, this is your shower chair and what it should look like. Everything is 100% ready for your shower. It's an aluminum chair, up to 500 pounds capacity, with a soft padded cushion for compact showers.
Sidebars to grab onto on the seat to make it safer. It's not bad. It holds the floor nicely. It's sturdy. And if I have to move it, it's easy to lift it up and shift it around.
And we have this handlebar that simply snaps open like so on both ends. Place it anywhere you want by simply putting to the sides with pressure.
And while you're moving the chair, give you more support. It's very good. Makes life easy in the shower.
Compact shower chair and handlebar to grab to the wall. Easy to snap off by pulling and releasing the tabs on each of the sides.
What is the capacity weight of this chair?
Up to 500 pounds.
It'll hold quite a heavy person. That's pretty sturdy.
And on the bottom, we have adjustable legs that we simply come over here, press in on a button, and we bring it to the height we want or down to the height we want.
Oh, so it'll hold a tall person or a short person, even a child.
The shower chair. Easy to install and build without tools. I hope you enjoy your shower chair for compact bathrooms of all sizes, up to 500 pounds of capacity. Enjoy your chair if this is right for you.